Here I have Sony Xperia 10 Plus, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick the system. Now go to languages and import, and here open the languages, the first icon. And here you can either select the language that you have, if you will have several over there, or you can add a language, so just pick add a language. And now you can select one from the following options. As you can see, there is plenty of languages, so you will find the suitable option for you. Let me pick, for example, Espanol. Now you can select the region. And now you have the second language, which is Espanol. If you would like to set it as a default one, just tap on it and swipe it up. And swipe it up. And now, just give your device a second. Now, as you can see, all the settings, all the menu and everything is in Espanol. Let's go back, let's see the settings. All your device is in Espanol. If you would like to go back to the previous language, for example to English, just one more time go to the system. It's this icon, so it's Sistema here. Then select this icon, go to Idiomas, and now simply by sliding up you can change the default language to English. Of course, you can add some other languages here if you want to have them more. You can delete some languages, so let me show you how to delete a language from this list. Just tap on more icon, the three dots one in upper corner, and tap on remove. Pick the language that you would like to delete, to remove from this list, so in my case it will be Espanol, and tap on bin icon. Confirm it because text will be played in another language. Yes, I know it, thank you for notification, and OK. And that's it. Now you are back in English, and there is no other language in your list of languages. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.